Hey guys, welcome to my channel Babli Beauty and Kitchen. In this video, I am going to show how to make moisturizing cream for dry skin types, which helps your skin to regain moisture and prevent dryness of your skin. So, I am going to show how to make moisturizing cream at home with easily available ingredients. Let's get started. The first ingredient is vitamin E capsules. It helps to restore damaged skin. And the second ingredient is aloe vera gel. It helps to soothe your skin. And the third ingredient is saffron. It makes your skin brighter than before. And the fourth ingredient is glycerin. Glycerin makes your skin glowy. The very last but not least, the very effective coconut oil. Coconut oil helps you to regain moisture of your skin. For making this cream, we need 4 tablespoons of coconut oil in glass container and add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel in it. Add a pinch of saffron and 4 tablespoons of glycerin to this. And finally add 2 capsules of vitamin E. Vitamin E helps your cream to last long because vitamin E works as a preservative in creams. Mix all the ingredients well. At first it will be lumpy. Mixing it for a minute, it will form a smooth paste. After mixing, close this with the lid and keep it in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours. After 3 hours, I am going to take it out. Our moisturizing cream is completely ready now. For application, take some moisturizer with your fingers and apply gently onto your face and the body. It also works as a body lotion. It will instantly help you to get rid of dry, itchy skin. It makes your skin so softer than before. I hope you liked this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And watch my other videos. Bye bye.